And one and jersey number 10. Let's shake hands. Okay, first quarter. Ball position of Davao City. Two points. Jersey number 7, Barcelona. Still. Jersey number 10, Connect. That's Umandak. Umandak to lead the line. Back. Same ball position. Two points. Number 27. Kick and pass, first number 91 to Kimpo. For 3. Yes, sir! 3. Umbada. That's our Kimpo. Naghahanap ng masahan. What a nice! What a nice pass by Kimpo to jersey number 25. That's John. Stop and step through. 7 minutes and 20. Michael. Continue. Manawang bitaw. Rebound. Michael. Second through. Second throw to Nick. That's 6 minutes. Keep ball. Umada, low pass. Balay. 2 points. Jersey number 27. That's a kick ball. That's a kick ball. Ball in the left, 2 points. Kick ball. That's 5 and 10. Umanda. Sides there. Back to shoot. Rebound there's number 7. Bersentuh tuloy-tuloy. Rebound to Sir Umanda. Kick out pass. Jersey number 27 or 3. Spinilla, side step! Rebound to Sir Umanda. We're good. Second through. 3. That's the deep. Balay! Wala dyan sa balay. Labas pa umandak. Umandak. 2 points. Jersey number 27, Tatsuno. Tatsuno, stop. Time out, Hello City. That's for the ball game. Pasadote. 2 points, Pasadote. Obaresa, step through. Dale, Mr. Kimpo. Mr. Kimpo! Rebound is another, Mr. Phillips. Pasadote! Pass it down! Pass it down. Bonus way for Nick. Last 1:25. Turnover. Espadilla spin. Rebound Mr. Mandak. Mandak, tuloy! Rebound Pasadote. Pasadote balik. Rebound.
So.
Foul. Let's look at Nick. Very good. And our first quarter. Verano. Dr. Verano. Can the shoot. Proceed. Five. Jersey number 20 to number 26. 2 points, jersey number 26. Save by Mr. Derek Duterte. At the bounce, bola ng talong si Philippine shot clock. De Leon. Rebound De Leon. 2 points, jersey number 26. Sa Umay. Sa Narado. Pumasok si Pat. May foul. Second through. Connect. Mr. Morales. Paco Morales. Napakaganda pasa ni Mr. Morales. Verano. Sa Umay. Same position. Sa Umay gigantas. Good, Panetta. My foul. 5 and 25. SRC Band. Sir De Leon for 3. Put back. That's third. Sa Umay. Mr. Gerardo. Still a return sa Umay. To Morales. What the pass. Davao City. Goes over. Commander Siban. He contests for 3. 3 points. Number 4. Morales. Did again for 3. What a pass. 2 points. Jersey number 19. Morales. To De Leon. To 26. Still by the jersey number 19. To Mr. Privado. For long 3. Rebound De Leon. For 3. Morales. Sa Umay. Napakaganda pasa. By Mr. Sa Umay to jersey number 2. 10. Jersey number 7. What a pass! By jersey number 7. Sauman. Hasta Morales. For 3. 3 points! Foul. Verano. 15 to shoot. For 3. Bang, bang, bang! 3 points. Exanova. Morales for 3. Rebound. Jersey number 7. Oh, Exanova. For 3 again. Rebound na sa umay. Pag-answer nila yun. Exanova. Jersey number 7. King at pass for Verano. Verano. Rebound sa umay. Still near Verano.
Yeah, try.
Seconds to play. 55. 10 to shoot. Julian for 3. Rebound si Van to 40. Last 35 seconds. Basket! Last 20 seconds. 15. Basket count. Foul on jersey number 26. Binigyan ng bonus throws on jersey number 19. And on the second quarter. Score to the 7:31. Foul. No. One point. Second through. Connect. Basket. That's the jersey number 17. The jersey number 25. Number 34. I found. Foul on number 30. So, Pedro for jersey number 34. Mapano. Hola, Pedro. Connect. Perfect 2. Mapano. Kinabagulahan ang live coverage nila sa Elite Basketball. Pali yung follow and subscribe. Umanda for 3. Rebound to number 38. Ikubit, tuloy-tuloy. Speed! By foul! A small with hand. Canadu. Rebound just number 15. At the bounds, Roland and Davao City. Point B. 2 points. Jersey number 17. What a hook shot by jersey number 3. Bigger pass. 2-point. Rebound. Oh, manda! Tuloy-tuloy! Sinagasahan lahat ng Tesla. Oh, manda! Nason. May foul. Nason. For 3. 3 points. Quebec. Magsaro Manda. May foul. Bitaw sa Messer Alvarez ng Tagum City. Una bitaw sa Alvarez, Quebec. Quebec. For Mr. Ikubin. Jersey number 13. 4 personal foul. Umadak! Black by just 134. Out of bounds, mula na Davao City. Sa National, ikaw pass. Rebound. My foul. Connect. Time out. Ormanda. 15 to shoot. 10. 2 points to number 20. Mavano. Last 13 shot lang. 13. Now Sean. 2 points for Sean Sean.
Oh,
2 points. That's number 29. Last 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. 30.
last
25. Stop that! 10. Survive, survive, 17.
Ay!
And on the third quarter. That's the boogie. Fourth quarter. Moving on. Spill by Umanda. Umanda! Super for Mr. Umanda. At the bouncing ball position. Bola balik ng Tagum City. Umanda. For 3. One against number 28. 20. Right now, bigyan ng dalawang bitaw. Unang bitaw, Mr. Morales. No good. What a pass by Vesper. Ikubin. And Zephyr number 2. The first one. Basket down. Rebound. Ikubin. Surprise, Mr. Ikubin. Challenge violation. Ikubin. Last 6 minutes and 14. De Leon. Napakaganda pasa ng Mr. De Leon. Sipan. Step to black. Alley-oop. 3 points. Sa Umay. Big ball header. Sa Umanda. Side step, kick out pass. Shot clock violation, shot clock violation. De Leon. Rebound Umanda. Start na bata. For three. Rebound na si Bay. 3 points si Bay. Still. Side step Umanda. 3 points para side step. Morales. De Leon. On the pass by Mr. De Leon, the jersey number 34, Mapano. Daraba. Nakaroon pa sa Mr. Umanda. For 3. De Leon. Morales. Tingkat pass to sa Umay. 2 points. For 3. The 500 What a fake! Timeout, Pagam City. Umanda. Alvarez. Rebound. Still by De Leon. What a pass by Mr. De Leon to sa Umay. No pass ni Mr. De Leon. Alvarez. Kick out pass. Doderano. Still nasa sa Umay. Still na Mr. Umanda. Umanda! Number 4 in. Out jersey number 27. Rebound Basalote. 2 points Mr. Basalote. Umanda. Still by just number 34. To De Leon. Leon. Phil ng Pasto. Two points. Del Rosario, jersey number 12. Umanda for 3. Raymond Amper. Two points, 29. Divide. 50. Umanda. Pinipit ang bola ng Mr. Umanda. 45. 40. 35. 3 points, Del Rosario. 13. Rebound Mabano. Lumpas ng Del Rosario. Para sa Lote. 2 points para sa Lote. Last 12 seconds. 10. For 3. And a big winner, Davao City.